Picture yourself in the 2016 Lexus LX. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. This handsome LX delivers refined comfort and serious off-road capability. From its serene, feature-rich interior to its mighty V8 power coupled with all-wheel drive, this luxury SUV takes you to the pinnacle in style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, 8-cylinder engine, power liftgate, fog lamps, backup camera, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, third row seat. Take your outdoor spirit to the highest level of comfort in this luxurious LX. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.